Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. My name is, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to save videos from Google Drive to your gallery. Yeah, that's quite simple on how to just directly download and save videos from your drive to your gallery. So first thing you have to do is you have to open up your Google Drive just like this. So this is how it's going to look like when you open up your drive, as we all know. Next thing is, let me just try to actually add the videos to my drive, right? So I'm going to click on upload. Okay, I'm going to search for the folder I want to actually put this video, and I'm going to search for upload, right? And I'm going to upload this video right here and click on upload. So it's going to take quite some time to actually upload, but yeah, we can do it. So how are you going to actually get access to that video you just uploaded? You need to actually search for that particular folder you added the video to. That's how you're going to get access to the video, right? So it's still uploading though. So when you're trying to upload a video to your drive, what you need to do is you have to actually use a very strong internet connection or a WAV file as well. So let's wait for it to upload completely. So it's going, so running for a few seconds and we are done. I needed to do it so everybody can see how to actually upload videos to the drive, right? So now we can now search for it. So I actually uploaded this video to my tests folder 1, sorry. So that's what I'm going to open up. So once you open it up, so you can see the video right here. This is the Snapchat video. So I'm going to, you can look opposite it, you can see these 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots and you can see a lot of options right here. All you need to click on is click on your download right here. So once you click on download, it's going to be downloaded straight to your gallery. So let's go to our gallery now. Okay, sorry. So as you can see, this is the video right here, the first video. I just uploaded it for I just downloaded it for my drive to my gallery. Very simple and easy to do. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.